INOPOOL is known for its innovative and user-friendly pool robots. One of their most popular products is the cord-free Latitude Plus pool robot, which has gained significant acclaim for its efficiency, reliability, and advanced design. This robot is packed full of amazing features, including a rechargeable lithium battery that utilizes a regular GCFI outlet, oversized canister for small and large debris, programmed path cleaning, including an infrared sensing system which ensures complete cleaning coverage, as well as aqua turbine technology for increased suction. To initiate a pool cleaning, turn the robot on, then place in the pool and let it sink to the bottom. The robot goes right to work, scrubbing the pool floor, side walls, and even the water line with 2 active hyper-scrubbing brushes. Looking to plan or manage cleaning schedules? Take control with the customizable smartphone app for up to 3 times per week cleaning cycles. The robot can easily maneuver through all pool types using all surface tracks and can clean pools up to 1,400 square feet in 180 minutes or less. Features and obstacles in the water, such as sun shelves or main drains, are navigated with efficiency and with ease. The Latitude Plus pool robot packs a punch with 44 gallons per minute of suction and can utilize 2 different baskets, either a 180 or a 100 micron basket, both of which are included. Say goodbye to leaves, twigs, dust, sand, and pollen, and say hello to crystal clear water. The unit weighs a very manageable 18 pounds and is top-loading for convenient access to the filter basket, which also comes apart for ease in emptying and cleaning. It can be quickly set back into the robot to be ready for the next cleaning job. Retrieving the robot is easy. The robot auto-parks along the pool wall. Simply snap in the provided hook to any universal pool pole and grab the robot in the front to hoist out. The Latitude Plus pool robot is an excellent investment for anyone looking to maintain a clean and inviting pool with minimal effort. Contact us today with any questions. Thank you for watching.